The auto drivers organized a roadblock on Friday by burning fire on the road in Champaknagar to Udaipur Road at Jampuijala, demanding to repair the road in their area. Jampuijala police arrived immediately at the spot after they got the information. Jampuijala to Champaknagar Road is in worse condition because of not repairing from long years. On their demands to repair the roads, they had organized a roadblock and submitted the deputation several times. However, even the road repairing was started, but because of some local mafia asking huge amount of money the contractors and not willing to hold the tender for the construction of the road, which is why the road to their areas was not repaired from long years. The local people were saddened by the incident. If such goons and mafia are taking such big amount of money from the contractors, how can the development works be done in such situation? However, they have got no more option left, which is why the auto drivers organized a roadblock on Friday by burning fire on the road in Champaknagar to Udaipur Road at Jampuijala, demanding to repair the road in their area. Jampuijala police arrived immediately at the spot after they got the information.
Chini Jampuijala tabo Chini came to Thana Palungo, the police to Azaran Simi, Dia Collins of the Lama Kajak. I was a Somono Kozak, Somono Simi, Collins of Kai Patazak, Anyway, Master Delmason to her, young player. That I found the custom was so little. Taboka was like a person to Tolo. What can like Manamoto, your body today? God was a Puno like you know, Bike Lama, I think I saw Common House. Agulamato. I make a Comakamang. Abo, the time Kayasan, as them gonna about, office gonna about, Kayan one who wants to Mang Tongman, Kayan Kayan, because Mount Flag. Oh, Zan Mutamono jet. Okay, Jampuijala, Baza certificate under Jampuitamu saya itu cincin bagus teman lagi. Kalau kerja kan telepon awak sama sana tapi ini telepon lain mana mau ya? Asal bos kantor. Tahu udah pun yang tu layo, yang tahu jalan yang tu layo, yang tahu edisi ni yang tu layo, yang Kumulum hotel somono hotel I am Bebon hotel young of Plano, young thing like you guys that was Jampuijala in Hoteli. Also, I know how can I get some money and money to me. They don't take
Apart from Jampuijala to Takarjala road, the passenger car drivers were in difficulties in Pramod Nagar, Hirapur, Khorang, Moharam and Narayan Sadarpara areas road. No matter whose party comes in power or from the government, the burden of the Tripura people will never end, said the local protesters. Reported by Ashok from Takarjala, Chini Khorang.